battles are won within. Spencer, get here. Yeah, back to... Because you're at home. Yeah. Dude, it does not suck. That's the best. That's living right there. Love you. You're a son bitch. High five that, chicken. You are a mountain bike rider. Banged up. Let's get some hydration, get in there before we get too cold. Loving. 75 degrees. Heading for the big falls. Stay tuned. We're going in.
All right. Here we are, a couple of tough guys. Woo! Getting ready to dunk it. Huh, Spence? All right, dude. You think about that. Get your ass in there. Get that sore ankle on ice. Okay, I'll start filming when you're ready.
All right, baby. This is beauty. It's like, this is better than friggin' Hawaii. Other than the temperature of the water.
Show how rainforest we are right now.
Yeah, look at that. We are super stoked, and we're obviously quite chatty and delaying the swim dunk. But we survived the ride for the most part. Get that ankle down in there. I like it. It's good. Okay, Spencer, give me your shit, tough guy.
Oh, shit.
Doing it? Yeah! Spencer, give it a thumbs up.
Come on, dude. Go, Cal. I'm getting in the water.
We're gonna face it.
Woo!
Face it.
Ah! Oh,
Ah! Ready, set, go.
oh, oh,
Woo!
oh.
Yeah! Yes!
Oh, that's terrible. Oh.
We're going back in now. Now you got a first dunk. It's like dunking in the ocean, dude, under a wave. You're not giving me that shit. Once you go in once, you're back in for a Oh yeah, the second dunk is so warm, dude. You know that. Yeah. Okay, set it back up again. Here we go.
Part two.
Number 2.
I can't tell if it's going. Hopefully it's...
What?
I can't tell what it looks like.
Well, can you take it down there? You're on your knees.
I'll restart it.
Part 2.
No, don't slip.
I know. I'm not. Yeah, the cam. The cam. Whoa. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, baby.
That's terrible. Yeah.
Yeah. That is not terrible. That is friggin' bliss.